In this video, we'll review how to enroll in classes in Albert once your registration day and time has arrived. On the day of your enrollment appointment, you can enroll in classes you've saved if there are still seats available. Start by going back to your shopping cart in Albert. Click the Validate, Enroll, Edit button. Now the status icon will indicate whether the class is open, closed, or accepting waitlists. Note that closed means the class is full and a waitlist is not available. Scroll down to note the status of your classes. For this biochemistry example, the class has a lecture component as well as a recitation component. Select the class or classes you want to enroll in from the drop-down. Scroll down and then click Enroll. Review the information and click Finish Enrolling. The results page will tell you if the enrollment was successful or if there were errors. In case of an error, consult with your advisor. You can choose to add another class or X out to return to your shopping cart. Repeat the process for all the classes you wish to enroll. For more information about registration, please visit the website and contact your advisor or student link with any questions.